Mr. Walsh, I want to ask you a few questions.
During an impromptu hearing Monday, the judge overseeing the Brian Walsh case questioned the accused murderer after his attorneys raised concerns about his mental health.
Do you understand that that is why we're here today?
Could you repeat the question?
Walsh was set to go on trial later this month for allegedly killing and dismembering his wife, Anna. But after being stabbed by another inmate last month, his attorneys say Walsh is not the same.
The rules require me to determine whether or not the court has any doubts as to whether you are competent to stand trial. Do you understand that?
That makes sense, yes.
All right. And then do you understand that if I find that there is a doubt as to whether or not you're competent and can assist in your defense, which just seems to be the heart of it here, that I can order an exam, and that I did this morning?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that? Order something?
I can order an examination of you.
Yes.
During the hearing, the doctor who examined Walsh testified that he was foggy and unfocused.
He described having interrupted sleep, having nightmares of being stabbed again in the future, and that these problems have given him cause for concern about his ability to participate in the proceedings.
With Walsh's competency now in question, the fate of the trial is unknown. The prosecution team told the judge a delay would impact the 60 witnesses they plan to call.
I keep saying we're a house of cards that is going to, could collapse at any moment. We have a wedding, a baby, all kinds of things out of state, out of country. There are huge adjustments that we're going to need to make.
And none of them are more important than me assessing the defendant's mental health and ability.
And as we have reported, the judge ultimately ordered that he undergo a fuller, longer evaluation at Bridgewater State Hospital, where he is now. The trial date was set for October 20th, but that is now up in the air. Live at the courthouse in Dedham, Sarah Conji, WCVB News Center 5.